Which biscuit brand is known for its creamy center and has been around since 1912? Which of these is a traditional British biscuit often enjoyed with tea? Which biscuit is made with caramelized sugar and is often served with coffee in cafes? Which of these biscuit brands offers a line of breakfast biscuits designed for sustained energy?